What's up, everybody? It's me, Nathan, back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Yeah. I know the Flip 5 is about to come out, but who cares, right? Who cares? The thing is, this is more of a review than an unboxing, because the thing is, I've already unboxed this thing 4 months ago. Yeah, 4 months and a half ago. Because this thing was a present to me by my father when I turned 14, which was January 31st this year. And then I got this thing at like February 4th. So, yeah, this thing has been used for a long time. 4 months. 4 months and a half. It's a long time. But, yeah. First of all, this is the box it comes with. Not that fancy, actually. I kind of like the fold box because it's bigger, because this is just like a normal phone box. It says Flip and also Galaxy Z Flip 4 with the color of the phone that you chose inside. Also on nothing there. Wait, it says Samsung there, actually. There's nothing here. There's Galaxy Z Flip 4 again with the color of the phone that you chose. Yeah. And then there's something. I don't know what that is, but that's something. So yeah, let's open this bad boy up. We don't need this. Oh yeah. Wait. It also comes with this, which has the cable, the charging cable, and the SIM ejector tool. But sadly, it doesn't come with a adapter, but everybody knew that, Most phones, they don't give an adapter anymore. Oh, wait, let me put this back in. So that's what it looks like inside the box, Very cool, it looks really nice. This phone, if I have to say much about it, this phone is all about looks. The way that it looks really nice. The way that it feels very nice. It's a tall phone, It's a really tall phone if you look at it. It's tall, it looks very sexy, very fancy, very cool. And then when it's folded up, it even looks better. This is all about looks, like I said. This phone is more like form over function. This is form over function. But the thing is, this phone also performs really good, because this phone has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. I know Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2 also came out. The S23 series has it. But still, this is still a flagship chip. And yeah, this is the base version the one that I got is a base version, which is $999 US. This is 128 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and AMOLED display, 12 megapixel camera, and then an ultra wide camera, no telephoto lens. So yeah, only 2 cameras, ultra wide and your main camera. And then, of course, the selfie camera in the front. This looks cool. Very good. The thing is, even though this camera is 12 megapixel, like I said, I've been using this thing for 5 months now. And it's like about 5 months. It's not fully 5 months yet, but still, we can call it 5 months. And the thing is, this phone has a great camera. It's all about software, you see. So the thing is, sometimes this phone takes a better photo than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. That, in my eye, Because this just looks better. Even though it's 12 megapixel, it looks better. It just looks better. I don't know what to say here. I know it's not technically number impressive, but the thing is, the software is very good, and it just makes you look better. And then, yeah. Oh, by the way, a huge tip. When you get this phone, please install Cover Screen OS, because the thing is, it lets you do a lot of things here in the outside cover screen, on the cover screen. So as you can see, the cover screen in the Z Flip 4 and Z Flip 3 are the same. They're very big, but the thing is, the Samsung OS, Cover Screen OS, Samsung's default OS on this screen does not allow you to do much. It just doesn't allow you to do much. So the thing is, if you want to get the full potential out of this cover screen, please download Cover Screen OS. And the thing is, look, let me show you some examples. Well, this is the nice little animation I got. You know, it's pretty cool. You can do that. That's sick. I love that. I love that you're able to do that. And then, wait, let me show you. So if you download Cover Screen OS, when you tap on this, when you just tap it, boom, you get access to every single app. Not every, some apps in your phone. So you can access TikTok here. You can see TikTok, Instagram. You can literally use those apps on the cover screen. Like, that's very cool, because it's very, very helpful sometimes. Because, you know, whenever I'm going to school, I want to look at my timetable. And the thing is, I don't want to open it up, because I just get to look at my timetable. You know, I just want to look at my timetable. The thing is, I don't need to open it up. I don't want to do that. I just want to get a glance of it. So the thing is, you just do this, go to gallery, and then look at your timetable, boom, and, you know, pack your things, whatever. It's just better. You know, to have this, you're able to do anything you want on the cover screen. So please download Cover Screen OS. It helps with the overall experience of the Z Flip 4. And the thing is, ooh, that feeling. Ooh, yeah. That feeling is also a very great feeling. I don't know how to describe it, but it just feels good whenever you, like, flip it. Whenever you're, like, getting a call, and then you just flip it open, and then, yeah. It just feels good. I don't know how to describe it. It just feels good to do that, answer a phone, because it's like you're stylish, you know? You take this out of your pocket, your phone's ringing, and you just go like this. Hey. It's just cool. I don't know how to describe it. It's really cool. And yeah, like I said, the performance, very good. The thing is, this thing has, wait, what was it? AMOLED display. Yeah, the display is AMOLED. And yes, I'm a huge Spider-Man fan. And I am a huge Spider-Man fan, so everything's gonna be Spider-Man themed. I know, alright? Shut up, that's pretty cool. I love this. And also, have you guys seen it? The Across the Spider-Verse? That movie was good. That movie was top tier. Like, I don't want to spoil anything, because it's basically a Z Flip 4 video. It's not actually about Spider-Man. But the thing is, bro, I love Spider-Man. And that movie was, wow, so good. It was so good. You guys go watch it if you haven't. Across the Spider-Verse. So freaking cool. Miles Morales. Oh, damn. I'm gonna do my own thing. Yeah. You're gonna do your own thing by watching that. So go watch it now. Okay. I got lost with Spider-Man. As I was saying, this phone is pretty cool. The camera quality, very good. The display is also very good. The thing is, oh yeah, as you can see, for 4 months and a half, I've been using this thing uncased. No case at all. And I've dropped this thing like this, unfolded, face down like this, 2 times. And not even a scratch. I'm not lying. Look at that. You can't see a single scratch on it. I dropped this thing, unfolded, like this, face down, 2 times, on the floor. And still, no scratch. That's See? Z Flip 4, everybody's saying it's fragile, you know, because it's flipping. It's very fragile. Bruh. No scratch at all. This thing is solid. And also, I've dropped this thing 3 times like this. Folded. Just like that. Uncased. And still, even on the side here, you can't see a single scratch. Like, there is just no scratch. No scratch at all. That is very impressive. Because a lot of people keep saying this thing sucks. You know, this thing is gonna break whenever you, like, leave it on the floor or something. Everybody's saying that this thing is very fragile. But the thing is, for me, personally, this thing is strong. This thing is really strong. I wouldn't throw it. Because who would? Why would you throw it intentionally? You wouldn't do that. Alright? That's not a thing that happens. You're just not gonna drop a phone 10 feet high above the ground and throw it into the sea or something like that. Nobody does that. Don't do that. What I'm saying is this thing is strong. For me. Yes. But don't intentionally break it and then say I'm a fake reviewer or something like that. Because for me, this thing is strong. For me, like I said. Alright? Don't blame me on anything. And also, yeah, the audio, yes, the audio is very good. The thing is, I feel like this thing turns into like it gets louder when you flip it, and, you know, fold it down like this. It gets louder for me, you know. I don't know why. I don't know if that's a feature. I don't know if that's just for me or for everyone else, but for me, it gets louder when it's folded like that. And yeah, I've been flipping this guy a lot. And then the thing is, there is one thing that distracts you. The line in the middle, the deep gutter. You can feel it. You can literally feel it. Ugh. It feels weird. You get used to it. But the thing is, when you're looking at it like this, you know, front, you can't see anything. It blends in. Look at that. Wait. To be honest, you can't tell that there's a line in the middle. But when it's like, you know, a little bit down, a little bit sideways like that, you can definitely see it. Oh yeah, right now I can see it. And it's very deep. So yeah, that's the Z Flip 4 for you guys. And the thing is, I love this thing. But a lot of people love this thing. Some likes the Z Fold better than the Flip series, because the Fold is just, the Fold is a phone that turns into a tablet, and this is a phone that turns into a little square phone that you can pocket, and it's very portable. So it's just a phone that flips into a smaller phone, so you can pocket it, which is okay. I like it because it looks better. The looks, like, you can't tell me that this doesn't look good. If you tell me this doesn't look good, something's wrong with you. You better go see a therapist or some doctors to get your eye fixed, because this looks very cool. And yeah, oh, did I say it's water resistant? No, I didn't, because I forgot to mention that. Yeah, it's water resistant. I've taken this thing out in the rain like a couple of times now, like a lot of times actually in the rain, because in my area it rains a lot. And yeah, it handles it fine, literally smooth, 120 hertz. It is a flagship phone. What did you expect? 60 hertz? Nobody does 60 hertz on $1,000 phone. If they're doing that, then they should get sued. It's $1,000 phone. Why would they put 60 hertz? So yeah, that's basically it about the whole review. That's basically the whole review. Everything's done. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe, and then of course like, and then comment. Do everything. Support me. Thank you. I love you. And also, go watch Across the Spider-Verse. It is literally the best. Like, peak cinema. The thing is, if Across the Spider-Verse doesn't win an Oscar, like, if it doesn't win the Oscar, I am gonna cry. Because that movie deserves an Oscar. That's how good it is. Bro, just watch the goddamn movie, alright? I wanna talk about it, but watch the movie. It's really cool. It's really, really cool. You won't be disappointed. It's a really, really great film. What was I saying? Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Support me, share, do something. And then also watch Across the Spider-Verse. Thank you all for watching. Opponent of the Line, out.